Hi guys, just had a random thought. This plastic gin bottle I picked up from Poundland and I'm using it for one of my solar ornaments, and I got some of these. These are the solar garden lights. Obviously they're normally on a stake. I just thought if I drill a hole in the top there, I can sit that on top, and when that lights up, it'll actually light up the bottom of the glass. In fact, I was saying I was going to drill a hole in it, but I realise that actually fits without me having to drill a hole, because there's a indentation there anyway. Well, I'll just leave that like that, and we'll have a look tonight when that comes on. Thinking about it, it would be better if I drilled a hole and extended the LED down into the stem a little bit. Probably. But we'll see how it works just sitting on top there in the indentation. I mean, looking at that, it's a bit messy where the moulding was done, so it may not pick up the light as well, and drilling a hole might improve it. But we'll leave it as it is for now. Well, we had a sunny day today, so I could have shown you this out there, but there's a bit too much background light going on, so I've brought it back in here where I've topped it up a little bit with the halogen light. We'll turn it off and we can have a look at it. So, not exactly spectacular, but it does do the job. So my only thought is whether it's worth drilling a hole down into that stem a bit further so the LED goes deeper in. I think you get the general idea. I don't know if I can lighten it a bit. The best I can do is night mode, which is still images. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.